When I went to college, I missed my mom's cooking a lot. I would call her and I would ask her, how do you make this or how do you make that? And at one point, I realized that I was a pretty good cook in the kitchen. That stuff was coming out good. And then my mom passed away and my kids were pretty young. They were 4 and 2. And at that point, I began to realize that the way to connect my kids to my mother was through food, through the recipes that she had left for me. So I started to very intentionally make dishes that were meaningful to me or that are meaningful to the family. And then I would tell my kids about it and involve the kids as well, because I want them to go away to college and then know how to make the dishes that they've grown up with. So it has become this focal point in which we come together, we cook together, and then we enjoy it together, and then we create new memories on top of the memories that the dishes already have in them. In coming to the US, what we as a family found here were foods that we never had growing up in Mexico. And apple pie then became this classic dish for me that represented being an American, belonging to the US. The first time that I tried to make an apple pie, it was a complete disaster. It took me about 12 years, a long process of trying out different crusts, trying out different apples, trying out different fillings as well, in actually getting an apple pie that I felt was mine. It's very difficult for an immigrant, in my case, a 10-year-old kid who came here, to grow up and to feel that this country belongs to me. It took me some time to realize that. So this recipe really is a journey of my being an American and feeling, deep within my bones that I belong to this valley specifically, not just America as an abstraction, but this valley, this California, this US of mine. I'm thankful for my dad, who passed away in May. His passing really taught me to appreciate the moment, to appreciate my family. It taught me to appreciate the mission in life that, by the grace of God, I have been given. This is an incredible opportunity for me to be at the head of Fresno State, to have an incredible team around me, to have amazing students who are gifted and talented and who are going to go out there and change the world for the better. I'm thankful for Mariana, who has had to really sacrifice a lot with her career in order to support me in this mission that we both feel in very strongly. I'm thankful for the kids whom I see growing up so fast. I'm thankful for my siblings. I'm thankful for my history, fundamentally, and for the opportunity to be an intentional leader with a focused mission for the region.